guys, Tagalog listening practice tayo ngayon. Hi, I'm a native speaker too. I've watched your videos because I've seen how you simplify things to make them teachable. How do you find the passion to teach? Teaching seems hard. Salamat sa question mo, Edmark Lowell de los Santos. So, the truth is, ang totoo, hindi talaga ako guro. I'm not a teacher. Wala akong degree sa education whatsoever. How did I become a tutor? Paano ba ako naging tutor? Ganito ang kwento. So here's the story. Noong 2014, nagtatrabaho ako sa isang kumpanya bilang isang full-time employee. Ang kumpanya ko noon ay bangko sa Amerika. It was a US bank. Maganda naman ang sweldo at ang mga benepisyo. The salary and the benefits were pretty. It was good. At masaya ako sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho. And I was also happy with the people around me at work. Pero, hindi sa mismong trabaho, but not with the work itself. Nagtatrabaho lang ako para sa pera. I was only working for money. Medyo bata pa ako noon. I was pretty young. Nagsimula akong magtrabaho 18 when I was 18 habang nasa kolehiyo while I was in college. So, para sa akin, pera-pera lang. To me, it's all about money. Walang passion, walang ganon. Nothing like that. Dahil pagod na ako sa trabaho noon 2014, I was already kinda bored and tired with work. Naisip namin ng kaibigan ko, my friend and I, thought of selling clothes online. Dahil walang budget, ako na rin yung naging model, no? Ako na rin yung nag-model ng mga damit. Isang araw, one day, habang nasa internet cafe, while I was at the internet cafe, kasi wala akong laptop noon, may isang Korean sa tabi ko who was sitting beside me. And I didn't know he was looking at my screen. Hindi ko alam na tinitingnan niya yung screen ko. At nagtanong siya, he asked me, "Excuse me, are you a model?" Sabi niya, "I'm asking because I'm a photographer." Tapos pinakita niya sa akin yung mga gawa niya. He showed me his works. Hindi ako mahilig makipag-usap sa mga hindi ko kakilala. I didn't like talking to strangers before, dati. So, nung tinanong niya ako, when he asked me, "So what's your work then?" "I'm a tutor." Pero hindi talaga ako tutor, di ba? But then, he told me, "Oh, really? Because I am looking for an English tutor." Bigla ko naisip, pwedeng extra income. Kaya doon, nagsimula ang pagiging tutor ko. It happened by accident, pero I ended up loving it. Nagustuhan ko. So mula noon, since then, nagturo na ako ng English sa mga Koreano at sa mga Chinese, sa mga Chino. Nagtuturo ako ng English part-time habang nagtatrabaho ng full-time sa isang kumpanya. Nakakapagod, pero kailangan ng pera. Noong 2017, nagdesisyon ako na umalis sa kumpanya. So at that time, 7 taon na ako sa kumpanya. At that time, I was already with the company for 7 years. Karamihan sa mga kaibigan ko, most of my friends told me, sayang naman Dara, 3 taon na lang. Because we had a 10-year retirement plan sa kumpanya. And even my sister, maging ang kapatid ko, sabi niya sa akin, wala ka ng monthly income yan, kaya mo ba? So I know they're just concerned. But then, tinimbang ko ang mga bagay-bagay. I weighed things out. And then, naisip ko, well, number one, unang-una, I'm a minimalist. Hindi ako nagsha-shopping lagi. So, sa araw-araw, ang kailangan ko lang, pagkain. Naisip ko, kahit isang estudyante lang sa isang buwan, I can get by. Pwede. Awa ng Diyos, simula noong naging freelancer ako, wala may isang buwan, not even 1 month, that I have 0. Laging mayroon. So, kaya ito, nakaka-survive naman. Masaya ako sa buhay ko ngayon. Mas masaya kaysa sa dati. So to answer your question about how do I find the passion to teach, teaching seems hard. Well, para sa akin, napakadali nito kumpara sa trabaho ko dati as compared to my job before. Ang trabaho ko dati, bukod sa back office work, may tawag, laging galit, laging mad ang mga customers, nagmumura, cursing on the phone, di ba? Pero sa trabaho ko ngayon, walang galit. Walang nagmumura. Lahat ng mga estudyante, friendly lang, di ba? Hindi ako nagsasawa. I don't get tired. I don't get bored doing this. Even if I have to teach 6 to 8 students a day, 6 o 8 estudyante, yes, it can be physically tiring, pero it's not emotionally and mentally tiring, no? It's not draining my energy. Marami akong naging trabaho before. Nag-customer service ako, nag-sales, nag-recruiter. I was an HR, recruiter, payroll, I've done payroll, fraud, investigation, collections analyst. Tumatawag ako, magbayad kayo ng utang. Pay off your debt. Marami akong mga naging position before. Pero para sa akin, ito ang pinakamasayang trabaho. Feeling ko, pakiramdam ko, natagpuan ko na kung anong gusto kong gawin sa buhay na ito. I really found what I wanna do in this life. So, kung nasa point ka ng buhay mo na hinahanap mo pa lang kung ano ang passion mo, try a lot of things. Subukan mo ang maraming bagay at kapag nahanap mo na, push mo lang, di ba? Just go for it. Money will come. Darating ang pera if you do what you love. Dati, before, hindi ako naniniwala doon. I did not believe in that. Pero I experienced it in my life. Naranasan ko siya sa buhay ko. I just trust that every month may mag-e-enroll and it happens. Alright, so yan ang listening practice natin ngayong araw. Watch out for my next grammar video. I'm going to upload it soon. This is Vera from Tutor, Manila. Follow me for more. Bye-bye.